2022 to be an awesome year for your data science career, well, we have the top 5 trends that you need to observe in 2022 to make this year amazingly good for your career. Stay tuned. The emergence of data science as a field of study and practical application over the last century has led to the development of technologies such as deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Now, broadly speaking, it has enabled the emergence of machine learning as a way of working towards what we refer to as artificial intelligence. It is a field of technology that's rapidly transforming the way we work and live. Well, to understand all of this, we really need to understand the top 5 trends that we have to observe in 2022 and beyond. Well, the trend number one is small data and tiny ML. Now, the rapid growth in the amount of digital data that we are generating, collecting, analyzing is often referred to as big data. This is fine if you're working on let's say, cloud based systems with unlimited bandwidth, but that doesn't by any means cover all of the use cases where ML is capable of adding value. This is why the concept of small data has emerged as a paradigm to facilitate fast cognitive analysis of the most vital data in situations where time, bandwidth, or energy expenditure are of the essence. So, like for example, self driving cars cannot rely on being able to send and receive data from a centralized cloud server where trying to avoid a traffic collision in an emergency situation can work. So, tiny ML refers to machine learning algorithms which are designed to take up as little space as possible so that they can run on low powered hardware close to where the action is. Now, in 2022, we will see it appearing in a increasing number of embedded systems, everything from wearables to home appliances, cars, industrial equipment, and agricultural machinery, making them all smarter and more useful. Trend number two is data driven customer experience. Now, this is about how businesses take our data and use it to provide us with increasingly worthwhile, valuable, or enjoyable experiences. Now, our interaction with businesses are becoming increasingly digital, right? From AI chatbots to Amazon's cashierless convenience stores that we've heard of. It means that often every aspect of our engagement can be measured and analyzed for insights into how processes can be smoothed out and made more enjoyable. Now, this has also led to a drive to create greater levels of personalization in goods and services being offered to us by different businesses, right? Now, the pandemic sparked a wave of investment and innovation in online retail technology, right? So, finding new methods and strategies, for leveraging this customer data into better customer services and new customer experiences will be a focus for many people working in the field of data science during 2022. Now, trend number three, deep fakes, generative AI, and synthetic data. Now, this many of us were tricked into believing, very recently that Tom Cruise has started posting on TikTok, right? Where scarily realistic deep fake videos went viral, right? Now, the technology behind this is known as generative AI, as it aims to generate or create something that doesn't really exist in reality. Now, generative AI has quickly become, embedded in arts and entertainment industries, where if you are fan of Hollywood movies, you would have seen Martin Scorsese. He has de-aged Robert De Niro in the movie The Irishman, right? So in 2022, I expect we will see it bursting into many other industries and use cases. Now, for example, it's considered to have huge potential when it comes to creating synthetic data for the training of other machine learning algorithms, right? It can be created to train image recognition to spot signs of very rare and infrequently photographed cancers in medical images, right? It can also be used to create language to image capabilities, allowing, for example, an architect to produce concept images of buildings simply by describing how it will look in words. Now, trend number four is convergence. Now, AI, the Internet of Things, IoT, cloud computing, and super fast networks like, 5G are the cornerstones of digital transformation, right? And data is the fuel that they all burn to create results. Now, all of these technologies exist separately, but combined, they enable each other to do much more. Now, artificial intelligence enables IoT devices to act smart, interacting with each other with as little need of human interferences as possible. Now, driving a wave of automation and the creation of smart homes and smart factory all the way up to smart cities, right? So 5G and other ultra fast networks don't just allow data to be transmitted at higher speeds, they will enable new types of data transfer to become commonplace, just as super fast broadband and 3G made mobile video streaming an everyday reality. So, an AI algorithm created by data scientists play a key role in this, from routing traffic to ensure optimal transfer speeds to automating environmental controls in cloud data centers. So, in 2022, an increasing amount of exciting data science work will take place at the intersection of these transformative technologies, ensuring they augment each other and play nicely together. Well, trend number five is AutoML. AutoML at its most basic involves automating those tasks, but it increasingly also means building models and creating algorithms and neural networks. The aim is that very soon everyone with a problem that they need to solve or an idea that they want to test will be able to apply machine learning through simple, user friendly interfaces that keep the inner workings of ML out of sight, leaving them free to concentrate on their solutions. Well, 2022 is likely to see us take a big step closer to this being an everyday reality. Well, these were the five trends that I had for you. For more, subscribe on our channel and we'll bring back many more such exciting topics. Thank you.